What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed to Weekfest San Jose. It is local to me. It's literally down the street. Make a right turn, a left turn, and we're right into the parking structure. I was hoping to get the GoPro 13 going, but it didn't come with a charger and both the batteries were dead. So we're gonna rely on the Hero 9, hopefully get some good quality. We'll see you guys inside. Oh crap, it says garage full. The line's crazy. Hey, we boosted yet or what? Not yet?
That's why I'm not on the show tonight.
Oh, you not out here tonight?
Nah, I'm cooling.
For sure. I bought a VIP ticket and I still woke up late. But we're inside. That's probably one of my favorite bumpers and one of my favorite wheels. CPRs. Man. On time. I think I want to make my first round in the front rows before I go to the back. Check out some of the whips. Oh my. Something about VSM. Ooh, it's a nice wide body right here. Molded. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Who the heck? Who the heck? Oh, this thing goes hard on the long champs. Wow. Man, VIP tickets, I didn't show up in time, and now there's like so crowded I can't even like film a lot of these cars, you know. But I'm trying my best. Oh, you got the EV converted car out here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know this car. I think this car came up from up north. Or at least when I had Instagram, I remembered it. If it's the same car. I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, I see the Dark Side homies right here. So here's a fun fact. Chris blew up his turbo a couple of days ago and he hit me up and he was like, hey man, you got a turbo? That's my Precision 6266 right there. But shout out to the homie Chris, because if you guys remember this car, he went supercharged. He had a Road Trex on here, and then for Weekfest, for switching over from track to drag, he decided to go turbo. He swapped out a bunch of stuff like the intake manifold, KELLYBUILT charge piping, KELLYBUILT intercooler. It looks good, Chris. It looks good. Got a bunch of BMWs, Evo, R33. One of my dream cars right here. Some nice color wheels. CEs. Got an RX-7. This is a really nice red right here. I don't know about you guys, if I ever built an Integra, I would definitely put a Mugen wing on. a couple more Integras. Dude, this one's really nice. I might know this car. +1. Ain't no way there's another EF2 right here. Oh my. What? Blue SR2 SR3s? These are not even the DC5s. Dude, these are clean. I'm really just trying to make my rounds. It's crazy that blue EF sedan hadn't been around since 2006 because the owner had passed away. And I remember seeing that car when I was on Honda Tech. But it's good to know it's local here. So that's freaking awesome to see. But check out this black Integra right here. Dude, I'm really loving the whole color theme of this car.
Every day you come.
I don't know about you guys, but damn, there's a bunch of R34s in here. Oh my goodness. I could have sworn I've seen this car in Bakersfield. K Turbo. I did see the S1 sticker right here. Shout out. All-wheel drive. This thing is so clean. Got the homie Rowell. But damn. That's a nice wing right here. Beautiful color combo. Oh yeah, this one and the EK for sure. I've seen it in Bakersfield. Ooh, it's a clean four-door. Okay, a yellow EK. Type R. If you know, you know. Damn. One of my other favorite wheels, TC05, also real Type R. Dude, this thing is clean. Damn, this shit is hella clean. Wow, shaved. Never seen that before. Black Flag Project. I don't remember the last time I heard that. SVP. Hell yeah. Good to see these guys out here. Oh no. Yo, this shit. What the heck? Guys, I'm not hating at all. There's so many BMWs here. I feel like I'm in the junkyard all over again. Yo, check out this NSX right here. Oh snap, there's a wagon in here. What the heck? Holy moly. Holy moly. This is the homie pinche Enrique's DA right here. I've been watching this thing on Instagram go through a gang of problems, but he finally sorted it all out. He rebuilt a new motor for himself. It is supercharged as well too. Dude, if you guys seen this thing in person or even just watch his stories on Instagram, this build is freaking like top notch, dude. He really does pay attention to all the details. The latest thing that I saw, he did the PlayStation in his glove box. You guys can see the controllers over there, and it's like working perfectly. Inspired by, you know, Fast and Furious, but it's good to see this thing after the revamp. Badass, Enrique. It's like error correct, and the 17s really works with the kit and the big body of the DA. I don't know about you guys, but this thing looks super aggressive. Holy smokes. F-150 Ford performance on slicks. Woo! That's chassis, boy. Damn, this thing is clean. Wide body too. Molded. One of my other favorite wheels right here. Another Skyline. You guys want to know something? My brother is actually trying to buy an R34 Skyline. So that's why I'm kind of like in an awe situation with these cars right now. Like, I've seen them many and plenty times before, but the fact that my brother wants an R34 Skyline is crazy to me. Look at this guy. Wrapped. It's like a dry carbon front end. Or is it wrapped? I see a lot of the ATS garage cars out here. These are all the homies, members only. Have I ever seen this car before? Oh yeah, I've seen this car before. Pretty bad. It's got the full Mugen kit on it. Slime ball, where you at, dog? Where you at, dog? Got the homie Jamil's car. Man. Hey, what's happening, bro? What's good? Jamil going extra hard with these new wheels on his car, dude. His car is static on top of that, and he drove like from way up north, and he was telling me how his tires were just eating up his fenders, but he's like, it's all good. It's the name of the game, dude. Running -5 camber all around, that's insane to me. But Jamil's car, man, always goes super hard. Got the homie Rowell's car. Right-hand drive. Ooh, my boy. Sheesh. Before I continue my walk, I didn't want to miss these two cars right here. This I've never seen before. Super clean. And then you got this Midori one right here. Sheesh. Got the homie Henzel's car. Holy crap. Dude, I don't remember the last time I seen Eris's car out here. Holy crap, this car is out of hibernation. If you guys remember at the dyno, there was a black EF hatch with a 4-piston motor that made over 300 horsepower. This is his other car. Man. Good to see it out here. God damn, look at this Corvette. Bro, what the heck? Yo, look at that massive turbo. Honestly, guys, I did not expect to see a P1 car out here. Holy shit. K-Swap Miata. Ooh, Sprint Heart CPF. Chill out. One of the wild card homies. It's got the Recaro confettis in here. Dang, it's so dark. Guys, we out here at the Weekfest after party. Decided to drive the wagon just cause it's kind of dark out, but hopefully it's not too shabby. We're gonna check out some of the whips, hang out with the homies real quick. You guys can't even see me, but I brought the homie Eric with me as well too. So we out here. Right hand drive 180SX on R32 Skyline wheels. Sheesh, R32 Skyline. I'm sorry, it's so damn dark. I didn't bring my flashlight. But here's the tail light look.
What happened up here? Bro, you see that? I mean,
when they're so enjoying all the ruckuses going on at the stoplight, when the cops show up, everybody wants to run. Like all of a sudden.
Y'all just look guilty if you run.
Yeah, well, guilty.
They look like fucking cockroaches. We turn the light on and
Scattered like roaches.
I'll call you back, alright? I'm with a ton of cops right now.
That's what happens when you burn out the spot. I mean, what did you expect?
I feel like they're gonna follow the guy running. Axel.
Oh, they're coming in a lot now. We're just hanging out at the lounge, that's all. The lounge right here.